I'm a bit excited to upload a tutorial video about rooting devices because I saw that some people subscribed to my channel. Hi guys, today's video, I have new information to share with you again, step-by-step tutorials. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I will teach you a lot about our topic today. By subscribing, I will work harder to always upload videos that will surely help you. Thank you to those who subscribe to our little channel. At first, I had a hard time rooting a phone because, of course, when I was watching tutorials about rooting devices, I couldn't understand the language of those teaching about rooting because they didn't use English. And because I always watching a tutorial like this, I have mastered every step and I try it on my cell phone. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It really depends on the devices we use. Guys, let's just try all the tutorials here. Let's also be careful with rooting devices because our cell phones might be damaged. My only advice to you is that if you have an extra phone, you can only use that to try rooting. Root the device. So yes guys, just try this step. It's easy as long as you just follow it here. It's free. Don't spend money just to root your device. We see a lot of tutorials here. It's free. You don't need to spend more. I just got it here on the internet. If no one taught me, I don't know anything about it. So I'm really grateful to the other races who taught it. There are other tutorials that work. There are others that don't, but I also understand, because it really depends on the device we are using. Sometimes it only works on old model phones. Just try it guys. If you have an old model phone that is no longer used and is lying empty, use it to test it. So that's it for now, guys. I hope these tutorials helped you, and I hope you support me in my other videos that I upload here. Bye guys, take care always.